Everyone tells you to be disciplined, but have you ever wondered why you keep failing every time you try? You might think you're just lazy, but the truth is that your brain is simply a product of conditioning. So, how do you break free from that conditioning and make discipline a natural part of your life? Let's find out. 1. Most people fail because they try to change their entire life in a single day. Instead, focus on one small step, do 5 push-ups, read 1 page. Consistency matters more than intensity. 2. Your habits are often a reflection of your environment. If your phone is within reach, you'll scroll. If junk food is in sight, you'll eat it. Design your environment to support your goals instead of working against them. 3. Whenever you don't feel like doing something, tell yourself, I'll do it for just 5 minutes. Getting started is usually the hardest part. Once you begin, resistance often fades away. 4. We live in a world full of constant stimulation. If you can't sit with silence and boredom, staying focused becomes much harder. Practice spending a few minutes without your phone, music, or any distractions. 5. Motivation often disappears because it feels like nothing is changing. Keep track of your efforts and build streaks. When you see your progress growing, you'll be less likely to break the chain. 6. Stop saying, I'm trying to become disciplined. Instead, say, I am disciplined. When you change how you see yourself, your actions begin to align with that identity. 7. Discipline is choosing a greater reward tomorrow over temporary comfort today. Whenever you feel like quitting, push a little further. This teaches your mind to prioritize long-term success over short-term pleasure. 8. Discipline isn't just about managing time, it's also about managing energy. Schedule your most important tasks during the hours when your energy is at its highest. You'll get more done with less effort. 9. There will be days when you slip up, and that's completely normal. Instead of beating yourself up, get back on track as quickly as possible. The ability to restart is what separates winners from everyone else. 10. Whenever you feel like giving up, remember why you started in the first place. Your purpose should be bigger than your struggles. When your reason is clear, staying disciplined becomes much easier. Conclusion. Discipline isn't a superpower that a few lucky people are born with. It's a skill that is built through small, consistent actions. Choose just one of these steps today and start putting it into practice. Before long, you'll begin to notice real changes in your life.